Welcome to Auto Garage, the place where passion for performance meets precision engineering, and where we bring you the latest and most exciting rides from across the globe. Today, we're diving deep into the beast that defines American muscle in its purest form, the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. The Shelby GT500 has always been more than just a car. It's a symbol of raw power, track-ready performance, and unmistakable style. And for 2026, Ford has taken this legend to a whole new level. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know you're looking at something special. The aggressive front fascia, massive front grille, and aerodynamic enhancements aren't just for show. They've been carefully engineered to keep the car glued to the road even at blistering speeds. The wide stance, sculpted hood with functional heat extractors, and bold Shelby badging all scream performance before you even fire up the engine. Speaking of engines, under that vented hood lies the heart of this monster, a supercharged 5.2-liter Predator V8, now pushing an incredible 775 horsepower and 750 lb-ft of torque. This power plant isn't just strong, it's refined, delivering a rush of acceleration that will take you from 0 to 60 in just 3 seconds flat. Ford has paired this engine with a lightning-fast dual-clutch 7-speed transmission, ensuring gear changes are seamless whether you're cruising on the highway or tearing down the track. The exhaust note alone is enough to send shivers down your spine. It's deep, throaty, and unapologetically loud, exactly what a Shelby should be. Yet, thanks to the active exhaust system, you can dial it down for daily driving or open it up for full-on track mode. Performance isn't just about straight-line speed, though. The 2026 GT500 comes with an upgraded MagneRide adaptive suspension, revised aerodynamics, and a new lightweight carbon fiber track package option. With massive Brembo brakes and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, this car delivers cornering grip and stopping power that rival European exotics. Inside, the Shelby GT500 blends race-inspired elements with modern comfort. Recaro sport seats keep you firmly planted, while the driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster, a 13.2-inch infotainment system with SYNC5, and full smartphone integration. You'll also find premium touches like carbon fiber trim, aluminum accents, and an optional B&O premium sound system, just in case you ever get tired of listening to that V8 roar. Ford has made sure the 2026 Shelby GT500 isn't just a muscle car. It's a complete performance machine built for drivers who demand the best of both worlds, blistering track times and everyday usability. It's the perfect balance of heritage and innovation, carrying the Shelby name proudly into the future. The 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 is not just a car. It's an experience, a statement, and a reminder that the spirit of American muscle is alive and well. And for those lucky enough to own one, it's a ticket to pure adrenaline every time you hit the throttle.